Okay, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how to import a Shopify theme, that actually looks nice. So, you can go to, online stores and, upload a zip file here, or you can go and just use one of Shopify's themes, but they're not amazing. So let's use Nike as a sort of baseline here. And we're going to say, create, I'm going to just use Opus here. Create a fully functional Shopify website for me in zip form that is close to the Nike website. Right? So you're gonna put that in there. And then you're going to be able to, it's just going to think, it's going to program it for you. You're going to download it and you're going to be able to upload it directly. So I'm just going to wait here until it's done. But here, you can see that I've imported some themes. The themes you pretty much get from Shopify itself are pretty boring, and honestly they don't have a lot of functionality to them. The great thing about these zip files that you get from Nike and from on Claude is that now you can add more functionality. Let's say once you got it done, you maybe don't like the way the checkout page is, or you don't like the way the product page is. You can go ahead and change that. So we're just waiting here. They're looking at the front end design. Okay, so now the theme's been made. I'm gonna go ahead and download this theme. I've already downloaded it once, so boom. And then once it's downloaded, I'm gonna go over to the online store where it says discover themes and say import, upload zip file, add file, and I'm gonna add this file. Go ahead and upload it. Once it's uploaded, so remember that our template that we wanted it to look like was the Nike store. So hit edit theme. Once you edit theme, you can see that this looks amazing. This looks great. It's super, all you can kind of just mess around with it. Those are the kind of products I have right now, but it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this was made in about 15 minutes. And then you can just go ahead and publish it, and you can make changes as well if you want. If you don't like the stuff, you can go ahead and change it, whether it's the product page or whatever it is. But yeah, it's a quick way to do it, and let me know what you guys think.